So I'll tell you a little bit about those parrots. They are they are one of the most endangered parrots, species of parrots in the world. They only live, they are endemic to this area. The total population is about 5,000, and this is the roosting island for almost half of it. It's 2,000 they come here to roost. And we don't really know exactly when that started, but it's known for about 30 years that they since the first ornithologists started studying them here, and actually was the one who described them, who started studying them. And the name of the parrot, the English name is red-tailed parrot. The scientific name is Amazona brasiliensis, which would be Brazilian parrot. A couple of them. Come on.